Here today I have an unboxing of the Zmodo Snap wireless cameras. This is a truly wireless system that is battery powered. So this is the box that comes in. This is the 2-pack. Inside we have a little card for you to join their cloud service, sticker that goes on the window. Instruction manual. We have the 2 cameras. We have the hub for the cameras. And we also have the charging pad. So these are wireless charged by simply placing the camera on the pad. Also included, we have 2 mounting brackets in case you want to mount them to a wall. They do have a 3M tape on the back, so the cameras would mount. There's a screw hole here. They would mount like this, or you can just sit them on a table. They also come with the mounting hardware and the cable to charge to use the wireless charging pad, which is a micro USB cord. So now the camera. We have the branding here on the side. In the front here we have the 1080p camera. I believe this on this side we have a motion the light sensor. The motion sensor is here, and this is the status light. And to turn on and off the cameras, you use the center button as the on and off switch. So you push it in to turn them on. They must not be charged. Like I said, they are 100% battery powered, so you are going to have to charge these every once in a while, but they are truly wireless. But let me get these charged up and I'll show you a demo video on how to set them up, and hopefully I get one installed and show you some footage of the cameras.